How to temporarily lock your Wells Fargo credit card. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can lock your Wells Fargo credit or debit card in the app. The first thing you're going to have to do is log into your application, and once you're logged in, you'll find different options on the bottom of your screen. You have your deposit, transfer, explore, and the menu section. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top bottom right corner to go to the menu. And once you get to the menu icon, you'll find your profile. And right under your profile name, you'll have your card settings. Simply go ahead and tap on it. And then you have the option to turn cards on or off. Just go ahead and tap on the first option. Then you'll see your card information right there. So all you have to do is, if you have multiple cards, you can swipe left or right on the card to view the desired card that you want to lock or unlock. And then you have the option right below that that says status on for card on or off. If the toggle is on, then the card is active, and if you want to lock it, just go ahead and turn the option off. What it does is other card that may be linked to your account may not have been turned off, but most types of the new cards transaction, including purchases, ATM activity, and digital card number transaction, will not be processed. So that's how you basically temporarily lock your Wells Fargo card. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.